Welcome to the in front of me nothing phone, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's launch Play Store application, and then in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, then just tap OK, again to OK, and go back. After that, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now just we can see that the process is finished, and for example let's go to the app search here to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.